batteries, like the one I'm running. When you release the throttle, the electricity will come back.
Just show, please.
Well, there's nothing to show really. I mean, here, see the capacitors here. There's two. Now I put another two here in series, 1 and 2 here.
Yeah.
Right. So that way there is a little bit more capacity. Thank you very much.
When you're shutting down the throttle,
when you release the
electricity's got to go somewhere.
Yeah, it comes back, right?
Yeah,
from the motor, because the motor is a dynamo, right? So it's turning.
Yeah.
And when you release the throttle, you remove electricity. The motor will create electricity that comes back to the speed controller, and that's what those capacitors are there for, to absorb that.
Yeah.
But if you're running too much power and or you're doing that back and forth too much, the power will be more than the capacitors are capable of. Yeah. So you put in series more, and yeah.
Is that all it was, Albert? You're just out of fuel?
Yeah.
But this is another one, the gasoline, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Nitro, yeah.
This gasoline.
This is my mistake. I call it my mistake.
Which one's it older?
Put the name on there. My mistake.
My mistake.
Is it old one?
No, it's actually like less than a month old. But it's
Which one older? Which one older?
That one is old. That's the one I got first, like a couple of months ago. And then I bought that because I liked the way it looks. But man, it's a pain in the ass to run.
Yeah, to fill it up. That's really okay. But next time probably I will bring solar batteries, and we will charge by naturally by solar energy that electric. I have right now the small one in my car.
When are you going to fly it? Like, geez, I might have to go back to this.
Oh, long time. My friend, that was good. I was saying thanks John for the beer. Because I was thirsty. No. Time to change the batteries on this one. No, I have another 5 batteries for the plane.
Oh.
I'm just waiting to